Evaluate what you want to evaluate. Identify, analyze the relevant issues, including performing further procedure as necessary. This is also evaluation. To come into specific conclusions matter because it is our audit agenda. So evaluation by convention is used only in relation to range of matter, including evidence, the result of the procedure, and effectiveness of the management response to the risk. So what we mainly evaluate to come to a conclusion, that is giving an audit opinion. For getting an audit opinion, you get a we need audit evidence. That evidence what we get through a process called evaluation. That means said in simple term evaluate. So first we need to analyze and identify the relevant issues. What is that issues? Mainly the prominent matter which has persistent inconsistency, or it's not persisting in the financial statement, which doesn't have a relevant audit trail, or there is a mysterious thing is going in the financials. Example, everything I have example now. You are doing the audit of this year. You are going through other receivables. Other receivables. This is the ledger. There other receivables. What as usually receivables, that is from debtors. You have sold something. You need to receive money because you sold the product. There is a sale entry. But something there, other receivables that is mentioned there. What is that? The money is directly loaned to third party, and for that, interest is received in the evaluate. Why? Is this the business of the company to loan money? No. They are doing the business of what? Trading goods. They are not in the business of lending money. But this company has given loan to other person in a short period, and they recovered the money with the interest amount. Do you need to evaluate the situation? Yes, you need to evaluate the situation because this kind of things will be there. Anything that is happening in the company should be there in the memorandum of association, AOA, articles of association. If not, you should not perform. Even though you gave this agenda in the memorandum of association and article of association, some business required a licensing. Example, you said we can sell soft drinks and hard drinks. That been mentioned in the memorandum association and article association. The board of director can deal with it. Very good. But in that state, if anyone need to sell hard drinks, they need to get the prior permission from the state government. There is a regulations. If that is not been followed and such kind of source of income is been accrued in the books of accounts, how can you treat it? You need to evaluate it and you need to give an opinion.